Welcome back to another edition of The Cocktail Guy, and today I thought we would make some clarified drinks using some citrus juices which we have clarified. Super easy to make at home, uber delicious, packed full of flavour and super deceptive. Before we get cracking though, do not forget to subscribe to this channel please. Smash that bell so you're aware of any new content as it appears. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos and don't forget to leave me any comments if you have any questions. Today I thought I would make for you some clarified drinks. These things are so close to my heart. They are uber delicious, deceptive, packed full of flavour, full of acidity, full of fresh citrus goodness. They are delicious and, best of all, super simple to make at home. What we have in front of us here are 3 bottles of clarified juice. We have a lime juice, a grapefruit juice, pink grapefruit here, and a clementine juice, which is obviously banging season. And all we have done is we have juiced these fresh. Now, if you can get hold of the juice, you can get some carton pink grapefruit juice or some carton lime juice or even clementine. If you can get it, orange juice or pineapple juice, all you do is you either add some agar, mix it in, allow it to freeze, and then just clarify as it's defrosting through a coffee filter, or as I use, some Pectinex, both of which are available online. I'll drop the links below the videos so you're aware of where you can buy these products. These drinks are super delicious. We're going to make 3 drinks, 3 riffs on some classic cocktails. Before we get cracking though, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. Smash that bell so you're aware of any new content as it pops up. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to drop any comments below should you have any questions. If you'd like to see more content though, pop along to my Instagram page. The handle is exactly the same. It's _cocktail guy, and don't forget that underscore. Otherwise, let's get cracking. So the first drink we're going to be making today is a daiquiri, or like a diamond daiquiri. It's a crystal clear daiquiri using some clarified lime juice. As I said, here it is. All I have done, juice some limes, and then I added a few grams of agar, give it a mix in, froze it overnight, and then drop the cubes of these frozen lime into a funnel with some coffee filters. And as they defrosted, they dripped through crystal clear. You get the full citrus flavor of the lime with a deceptive look of this clarified juice. And it is beautiful. Let's start with the drink. Taking a light rum, 50 mils. $15 mils of our clarified lime juice. And I'm going to go 10 mils of sugar syrup. Now, it depends on how sweet or how acidic you like your drinks. I always find that clarified juice generally has more flavor and is actually more robust in acidity. Because it was removing all that pith, so you get all that concentration of flavor. It's absolutely delicious. So give it a mix. The all-important taste test. Good amount of cube ice. Give it a stir to chill and dilute. Make sure it's nice and chilled. There we go. Perfect. A nice frozen glass. There we go. And voila. Look at that. Looks like a martini. How great is that? And the last addition is the all-important zest. Now, I love zesting drinks, but what's important for me is the aroma lifts the flavor of a cocktail. So not only do I zest over the drink, the brim as you're drinking, but as important, the stem, or wherever you would normally hold your glass. And that way, when you pick up the glass, you get those lovely kind of citrus, fresh, zesty aromas on your fingers. And here we have it, a Diamond Daiquiri. That's a diamond of a drink as well. Ooh. You get the punch of the rum, the fresh limey acidity from the clarified lime juice, lifted by the aroma of the zest on top of the drink, and just a small amount of sugar in this drink. It's a daiquiri. Just looks nothing like a daiquiri. It is super simple, guys. I will pop the recipes below the video of how to make the clarified juices. Just watch the video all the way through to the end. And there we have it. A straight up Diamond Daiquiri. Banging. Right, second drink. Let's move this out of the way. I'm gonna make a riff on an aviation. So a gin forward cocktail, adding some maraschino and some clarified grapefruit juice this time. Now this is a pink grapefruit juice, which again, I have added some agar, mixed it in, froze it overnight and allow it to drip filter through a coffee filter. As it does so, it clarifies and you have all of this beautiful aroma of the grapefruit in here. I'm gonna add this to a drink. So I'm gonna start with my gin. 50 mils again. Now I'm going to add 5 of maraschino, just to give it that nice sort of lift of flavour. My clarified grapefruit here, 15 mils. And then, if you have it, some Violet Liqueur. I've got a Violet distillate somewhere here, which I'm going to add. This is wild violet, which we've preserved. Oh, it smells so good. There we go. So I want this again to be as clear as possible. Give it a mix. The all-important taste test. Woohoo! I'm going to add a little bit more grapefruit in that. Now you've got the sweetness of the maraschino. If you wish to add some sugar syrup just to give it a little punch of sweetness, you're more than welcome to. I would just add a small amount. I'm going to go with, let's say, 1 to 2 mil, no more. Give it a mix, add the ice. Here we go. And there we go. Now again, stir to chill and dilute. It's so important. There we go. And another martini glass. And then this time I'm going to zest with a small coin of grapefruit. There we go. Again, on the drink, on the brim, and down the stem. And here we have it. Our clarified aviation. Gin, infuse the gin if you want. You can infuse it with some grapefruit zest if you wish. We've got some maraschino in here. We've got some sugar syrup, some clarified grapefruit, and just a touch of violet distillate or creme de violet if you have it, or if you can get hold of it, or even some violet bitters. And the grapefruit zest. It's just a coin of grapefruit, but it really does lift that flavor. It is delicately beautiful. Just like it's a little ballerina just dancing around on top of this glass. It is insanely good. Deceptive as anything. But look at that. two clarified drinks full of citrus greatness. It is delicious. So the third and final drink we're going to be making is a highball drink. This is known as a Sonic, which is a half soda, half tonic mix. We've used some clarified clementine juice here. We've made it exactly the same way as we have done the lime and the grapefruit. We've added some agar or some Pectinex. We've allowed it to freeze, and then we've drip thawed it through a coffee filter or muslin. As it's doing so, it clarifies absolutely translucent, removing all of those kind of those particles, those kind of the fibrous juice that you would normally associate with citrus fruit. And that's it. The only difference this time is because these are in season and we have the leaves, they are packed full of flavor. So I have taken the leaves, cut them up and infused them into a gin, and I have got this beautiful Clementine Leaf Gin, which I'm going to make into a highball. Now, if you don't have means to carbonate at home, fret not. You can make this drink by just adding cold soda and tonic. It is super simple. If you do though, you can make this drink using a soda stream machine if you have one, or indeed a cream whipping ISI canister. We'll come back to this in a minute. So we're going to begin with this drink. We're going to be adding our gin. This has been infused with the clementine leaf. A little bit of sugar syrup. Not too much, 5 mils. Our clementine juice. There we go. Just going to give that a bit of a mix. Now, if all of these ingredients are cold and your soda and tonic is cold, you don't need to dilute it because you've already got 2/3 of your mix really. Your cocktail is your mixer. Non-alcoholic, also non-alcoholic, so you don't need to add any more dilution. So I am just going to open one of these. There's my tonic. Here is my soda. There we go. And that's it. It's so simple. It is a clementine leaf infused gin, a little bit of sugar syrup, some clarified clementine juice, soda and tonic, aka Sonic, and that's it. Our third and final drink. Now, obviously a garnish. What are we going to garnish it with? A clementine leaf? We could do a clementine leaf. Let's do a clementine leaf. Give it a slap just to release that aroma. Epic. Give it a go. Oh, I love the look of that. That's beautiful. It looks like a glass of water. Oh. It's so good. There we have it. If, as I said, you do have the equipment though, to carbonate at home, in here, I already have my Clementine Leaf Gin, my clarified clementine juice. I have some tonic, I have some soda, I have the sugar syrup. I have put this in a cream charger ISI, and I have charged it with the capsules, the CO2 capsules. So not the cream whipper, the CO2. Then what I've done is I've given it a good old shake, added another capsule to it again, given it another shake, dropped it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now the all important thing you need to do, you do not use this as a creamer, you do not use the nozzle. You're going to release the gas as we have done so. You are then going to unscrew gently, removing the cap. And then what we have, I'm not sure if you can pick that up on the mic, is this tingly kind of sparkling drink inside. It sounds amazing. And that's our carbonated cocktail. And we are just going to add this to our glass straight away. Look how carbonated that is. Look at that. That's brilliant. I use this at home all the time to carbonate. I have a SodaStream machine at home. I don't have all the gadgets and gizmos at home. They're at the bar. So I just use everyday equipment and ingredients. Look at that, fizzy as anything. And the great thing about this, as you're carbonating everything, including the alcohol. So 100% of the liquid that goes in this cocktail is carbonated. And obviously the colder the better, because it just adds that kind of beautiful like zinginess. And there we have it. That is our drink. Now this one, I think I'm gonna garnish with a zest. Here we go, on top, and as per the martini glasses, down the stem. There we have it. So that is it, guys. A carbonated at home, look at those bubbles. Look at that. That is beautiful. So, Clementine Leaf Gin, clementine juice, clarified, some sugar syrup, some soda, some tonic water, carbonated in a whipper, or indeed a SodaStream machine if you have it. That looks beautiful, and I bet it tastes fresh as anything. So good. Get involved, guys. Let me know what you think. Drop some comments below the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Do not forget to smash that bell, please, so you're aware of any content as it pops up. But most importantly, please, please, please do subscribe. I'd love to see this channel grow. But until next time, guys, from me to you, please enjoy these drinks. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Oh.